Most drivers never think twice about oil weight. You grab the bottle your manual says to use, pour it in, and keep driving. But here's the strange part. The exact same engine in the US is told to use 0W-20, while the same engine overseas, same parts, same design, runs perfectly fine on 5W-30. Why would one engine need thin oil in America, but thicker oil in Europe, Asia, or Australia? The real reason isn't what most people expect. A recent report shows how quickly the US shifted to thinner oils for fuel economy rules. 0W-20 now makes up about 42% of new vehicle oil fills in America, a huge jump from a decade ago. Today, we're breaking this down in simple, everyday language. No technical talk. You'll learn why these oil grades differ, what actually happens inside your engine, and which oil truly fits your climate and mileage. Before we dive in, hit subscribe so you never miss simple, honest car advice. Now let's uncover the first hidden reason behind this oil split. The hidden reason behind the oil difference. Here's the real surprise. The difference isn't mainly about engine design, metal quality, or climate. It starts with something most drivers never hear about: fuel economy rules in the United States. Automakers must hit certain MPG targets, or they pay huge fines. And one easy way to squeeze out a little more mileage is by using a thinner oil. 0W-20 flows faster, reduces drag, and helps the engine turn a bit easier. It might only boost fuel economy by a small amount, but when you multiply that number across millions of cars, it helps manufacturers avoid penalties. That's why US manuals often lock in. It's part of the paperwork used for EPA testing, and once it's written, changing it becomes complicated and expensive. But here's where drivers get confused. The same engine overseas doesn't face those rules. Instead, other countries prioritize durability and long-term wear protection over tiny MPG gains. So 5W-30 becomes the recommended oil there. Same engine, different goals. But this is only the surface. Something much more important is happening inside your engine. Thin oil like 0W-20 moves fast and reaches tight spaces quickly, which is great during cold starts. But once the engine is hot, that thin layer becomes lighter. Under heavier loads, long drives, or high heat, it can sometimes feel too thin, especially in older engines. Meanwhile, 5W-30 forms a slightly stronger film. It stays thicker when the engine reaches full temperature, which helps protect bearings, piston rings, and timing chains, especially when the engine has miles on it or runs in warmer weather. This doesn't mean 0W, it simply means the two oils behave differently once the engine heats up. And depending on how you drive, one oil can quietly reduce wear more than the other. But that brings up a huge question. If thinner oil helps with mileage, and thicker oil helps with protection, what should you use? The answer becomes clearer when you look at how engines change as they age. And that's where things start to get really interesting. Engines change as they age. Every engine, no matter how well you take care of it, slowly starts to change with time. Metal parts wear down a little. The tiny gaps inside the engine become slightly wider. Rubber seals harden from years of heat, and the oil pressure at hot idle isn't always as strong as it used to be. These changes happen so slowly that most drivers don't notice them until small signs begin to show up. Maybe your engine sounds a bit louder on warm days. Maybe you hear a soft ticking noise in traffic. Maybe the oil level drops a little between oil changes when it never used to. Here's where oil weight starts to matter. Thin oils like 0W-20 are perfect for newer engines because everything inside is tight and precise. The oil doesn't need to be thick to protect the moving parts. But once the engine passes 60,000, 80,000, 100,000 miles, a slightly stronger oil film can help control heat, noise, and wear. That's why many countries list more than one oil grade for the exact same engine. 0W-20 when the car is new, and 5W-30 as the mileage increases. But in the US, the manual rarely changes. It keeps the same oil recommendation for the engine's entire life, even though real-world driving slowly changes the engine itself. And if you're wondering whether this shows up in the real world, I've seen it many times. Let me share one quick example that explains it perfectly. What high mileage really does inside an engine. I once had a customer with a high-mileage sedan that made a light ticking sound when hot. A simple switch to a slightly thicker oil made the noise disappear within days. That quick result showed how much an engine's needs can change with age. As vehicles rack up miles, the inside of the engine slowly opens up. The metal parts don't stay as tight as they were when the car was new. Heat, long trips, traffic, and daily driving all play a part. Over time, the engine starts to rely more on a stronger oil film to stay quiet and smooth. That's something many drivers never think about, because the manual doesn't update itself based on mileage or age. When the engine gets older, thin oil can sometimes feel too light during hot days or long drives. It still works, but it may not control heat and pressure the same way it did when the engine was new. That's when oil like 5W-30 can offer a small but noticeable improvement. The engine feels calmer, idle becomes steadier, and small noises often fade away. So as the miles climb, choosing the right oil becomes less about what the book says, and more about how the engine behaves in real life. And now that we understand engine age, let's look at why climate changes the equation even more. Quick reminder, if you're learning something new here, tap subscribe. I've got plenty more simple real-world car advice coming. Climate plays a bigger role than most people think. Climate is one of the biggest reasons oil recommendations change around the world. If you live in a colder region, places where winter mornings often start below freezing, a thin oil like 0W-20 is a huge benefit. It flows quickly, reaches important engine parts faster, and protects during those cold starts when most engine wear actually happens. That's why northern states and colder countries rely heavily on thinner oils. But the story changes the moment you move into hotter areas. In states like Texas, Arizona, Nevada, or Florida, oil temperatures climb quickly. Sitting in traffic on a 100-degree day, or driving long distances on hot highways keeps the oil hotter for longer. Under that kind of heat, 5W-30 holds its strength better and keeps a more stable protective layer around moving parts. This isn't just a US. In places like Australia, the Middle East and Southeast Asia, where heat is constant, the same engines often run 5W-30 or even 10W-30 from the factory. Drivers there don't deal with freezing winters or tight MPG rules. Their challenge is heat, and thicker oil handles heat more reliably. So climate alone can change which oil keeps your engine healthy in the long run. But climate isn't the only factor. The way you drive also makes a big difference. Your driving style matters more than you think. If you mainly drive short trips, school runs, grocery runs, light errands, the engine doesn't stay hot for long. In these cases, 0W-20 is perfectly fine, especially if your car is still under 80,000 miles. But if you regularly drive the long highway distances, uphill routes, loaded with passengers, or in stop-and-go heat, your oil is working much harder. The temperature stays high, the oil film gets thinner, and under those conditions, 5W-30 often gives better stability. Turbo engines especially feel the difference. The turbo spins extremely fast and runs hot. A slightly thicker oil can protect its bearings and reduce long-term wear. That's why many turbo engines outside the US run 5W-30 by default. Driving isn't one size fits all. Your oil shouldn't be either. But here's where most drivers get nervous. The warranty question. So let's clear that up. The truth about warranty and switching oil weights. A lot of drivers get nervous when they think about changing oil weights. The most common fear I hear is, if I switch from 0W-20 to 5W-30, will it void my warranty? And the simple answer is no, not automatically, and not just because of the number on the bottle. A dealer cannot deny your warranty simply because you picked a different oil weight. For them to refuse coverage, they must clearly prove that the oil you used caused the problem. That's how warranty protection works under US law. The only thing you need to pay attention to is the quality rating of the oil. As long as the oil meets the correct API, ILSAC or manufacturer-approved specifications, you are using a product that fits the requirement. The weight may change, but the performance level must still match what the engine needs. Even some automakers quietly mention in service notes that 5W-30 can be used if 0W-20 isn't available. As long as it meets the proper standard, they can't officially list it as the main oil because of fuel economy rules. but they recognize that it works safely in most real-world driving situations. So switching to 5W-30 for high mileage ends or hot climates isn't breaking rules, it's simply choosing what your engine actually needs. Now let's bring everything together into one simple guide you can follow every time you change your oil. The Simple Oil Choice Guide. Every driver can follow. Here's the easiest way to decide between 0W-20 and 5W-30 without guessing or overthinking. If your climate is cold, use it protects better during cold starts. If your climate is hot, use 5W-30, especially if your engine already has some mileage. If your car is under 60k miles, 0W-20 is usually fine unless you tow or drive long distance, 60k 120k miles. 5W-30 often reduces noise and gives smoother hot idle performance. 120k per miles. 5W-30 helps maintain pressure and stability as the engine ages. Turbo engines, 5W-30 frequently provides better long-term protection, especially in heat. This isn't guesswork. It's what real mechanics see every day. Engines change. Driving conditions change, and your oil should adapt with them. Now let's wrap up everything you've learned today. It's a choice that should match how you drive, where you live, and how many miles your engine has seen. The same engine may run 0W-20 in one country and 5W-30 in another, because real-world driving conditions are completely different. When you understand that, you stop guessing and start making smarter decisions for the life of your engine. Whether your climate is cold, hot, or somewhere in between, whether your car is new or has crossed 150,000 miles, the right oil choice can keep your engine smooth, quiet, and protected for years to come. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit subscribe so you never miss simple, honest car advice that actually makes sense.